that bowl. We finished the...
Yeah, I was just telling that.
Alright. Lara will give you one empty plate. Yeah? One empty plate. And the noodles doesn't stick together that badly when we stir fry. This is the reason why we make...
You see how we get this? Big sheets, you gotta use that.